sometimes I feel कि मेरे को इतना weird लगता है मेरे emotions share करने के in the camera. Like the reason why I started vlogging is I wanted to share a few things, but then now when the camera is rolling, I'm like, okay, how do I begin? Where do I start? And is it even necessary? Like, is it required for me to speak about this, or I can just put it down in my journal and then forget about it. The whole topic is like majorly about me being really anxious in social events and how I am trying to deal with it. But yeah, I mean, chalo, I'll just give you a context. So there was this party and I was supposed to go. I am someone who is really an extrovert. I feel, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I'm an extrovert, but then sometimes when situation like this happens, like social situations aa jati hai, I don't know, somehow I just go back into my shell. I don't know if it's because of the past 2 years of staying indoors and having a very nice comfort zone with my own self and some people jinko main regularly milti hu, my friends and my family. Is it because of that, or in general I'm growing up and I'm aging and that is the reason I am turning into this person? But I was just feeling really anxious before I went for that event, and I barely knew like 4 people pure crowd mein, which made me more anxious when I reached there. As like I was overwhelmed with the people who were at the party, and the people I knew, they knew almost like everyone else. So it was again a weird scenario for me, and I am someone who generally like talks with people, like who likes making friends and everything, but I take my time to do that. Like it's not like I don't want to force myself to do it, or I don't want the person who I'm talking to be forced to talk to me on events like this. So I don't know if you get it, or like do you go through something like this too, or is it like just me and I'm overthinking? But no, yeah, I feel कि हाँ काफ़ी लोग को होता है ये चीज़, because I see it's not just like my own thing. I've seen this, I have spoken about this with my friends in the past, and it's a natural thing. So I'm just trying to like overcome that and try to not chicken out from places, which I think I would have done that day if I wanted to, if I could have done that. But then I was like, okay, no, I really want to like face this, and this is just another one of my I wouldn't call it fears, I would probably call it an insecurity, or just, yeah, I don't know what's the right word for it, but yeah, I wanted to face that particular thing of mine jo bhi hai, dealing with social anxiety basically. So I stayed till the end almost till the end, and I had fun, I wouldn't lie, I had fun, but yet again, if there was another scenario like this happening again anytime soon, like going to a party where I barely know like 4 people, I don't know how I'm gonna react to that, because I have been into a place like this. I have seen what I feel, and I don't want to make myself really anxious throughout the whole process. I mean, you know what, मैं जब dress up हो रही थी, I had a fixed outfit in my mind कि मैं ये पहनने वाली. I wore that. Just when I wore that, I was like, okay, probably this is a little too overdressed for the scene that we are going for. So I changed. And I changed back again, and I wore something which probably looked like sort of semi-casual sort of a thing, but when I reached the party again, I felt okay, I am the most underdressed person ever, and yeah, again that made me more irritated and annoyed by my own behavior, and I started like I was just too cranky, and I was just like not feeling it, you know what I mean? So yeah, that has happened. Pata nahi, I don't know why I am like this, but yeah, I am like this. In the camera and in my comfort place, I am like the most happiest, bubbliest, itna sweet, nice person, but I don't know, if you keep me outside, it's just pure. Anyway, I think my whole point of talking about it here was trying to know if you have any solution for this, like if you do you know how to deal with scenarios like this, or you know, just any kind of advice that you could help me on, so you know, in future I can keep that in mind, and I don't become the anxious person that I did 2 days back. I mean, I was not that person. That was not me. It was just not me. That entire evening, I don't think I was myself 80% of the times. I mean, obviously I was myself, but like again, I was just like probably trying to fit in to a place where I probably didn't belong, I guess. But yeah, I mean, that is what I wanted to say. Anyway, I will move on to editing the second part. Okay, bye. Hi guys, what's up? I know मैं काफ़ी दिन बाद vlog करी, but I was sick, and I don't know, I think it was because of a change in the weather. Suddenly इतनी ठंडी हो गई मुंबई में, as we all know. So yeah, I mean 4 days तक I was just like I couldn't talk basically because बहुत ज़्यादा ही मेरे को कोल्ड हो गया था, एंड यू नो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक रियली अनॉयड क्योंकि आई थॉट कि मैं बार बार बीमार पड़ रही हूँ, एंड वही मेरे डॉक्टर ने भी एक्चुअली बोला कि यू नो बहुत रेगुलरली लाइक बीमार पड़ रही थी मैं. Anyway, I'm back, and today is the 3rd of December, which means if you are a Money Heist fan, you know आज part 5 volume 2 release हुआ है, and I have been off social media since morning because मुझे कोई भी spoilers नहीं चाहिए. My friends and my cousins are coming here. यहाँ पे पूरा screening करने वाला है अभी in a while, like it's 7:15, and in a while हम लोग सब लोग आ जाएंगे वैसे ही. We're gonna watch it together, like the final part. So I'm really excited, and yeah, I can't wait to cry my heart out. सागर ने एक्चुअली एक भी पार्ट नहीं देखा, उसको कुछ मालूम ही नहीं है क्या होने वाला है. वो अकेला यहाँ पे होने वाला है. Who knows nothing about Money Heist, and I think वो I don't know, he wouldn't understand the emotions. बैक टू बैक कॉल्स. बट मैं बोल रही थी कि आई बीन एडिटिंग दीज वीडियोज़ यूट्यूब के लिए, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मैं व्लॉगमस भी डाल रही हूँ, विच इज़ व्हाट मुझे मेजर फोमो हो रहा था, एज यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन माई कम्युनिटी पोस्ट. एंड आई थॉट कि इफ़ आई कुड नॉट यू नो डू like proper YouTube videos, मैं shorts डालूंगी. So every day till the 25th of this month I am going to post shorts as Vlogmas day 1, day 2, day 3, and I think by the end of it there's going to be a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And now I think I'm going to go finish this editing and wait for everyone to come in. Hi guys, good morning, what's up? I barely had like 5 hours of sleep, 4 to 5 hours of sleep. Slept at 5 in the morning. We watched the entire part 2, season 5 part 2 in one go, and oh my god, crazy ending. A perfect ending, I would say. It's just I had some issues, not issues, but मुझे personally लगा कि the last song that they chose, I feel the last song that they chose could have been something else. That was my only opinion. But apart from that, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा overall. And मतलब they have left it on a high, which is also a good thing. I think over a couple of months, like maybe in a few months or a few years, I'll watch the series again because I really liked it. And I mean, yeah, this is one of those series that you can watch. You would like to watch in future, even after you have rewatched it. My friends just left, all of them, and सब अभी थोड़ी देर पहले गए. I'm having my coffee and then I'm also heading out because there have been a lot of things जो टेट के लिए मुझे करना है. We have 2 more launches in this month, and once that is done I'll be free. But जैसे मैंने बोला, on 21st I am leaving, so before that I have to make sure the launch is ready and everything else is you know in place, because then I am going on a 10-day no service break. मतलब सर्विस मिला नहीं मिला पता नहीं, but मुझे नहीं चाहिए सर्विस. I don't want to work for the last 10 days of this year. So yeah, I have to work really hard right now before to make the launch really successful. Oh, also by the way, we've also had a Christmas holiday collection of candles on Tate Blends, so make sure you check the website. They're really cute and delicate candles, and you know every 2 days we are stocking up, but we're getting sold out pretty fast. So that's a great sign, and I really like, I'm just happy about that thing. So yeah, you can go check it out and grab yourself some nice pine cones and Christmas tree. इतने छोटे छोटे से है सब, and yeah, go for it.